Hello everyone and welcome back once more to my channel, Model Ships. If you're watching this on the Occre channel, hello everyone there also. Continuing on the San Ildefonso, it's time to plank the top deck. On the last episode I did the gun ports, and before putting the top pieces with the gun port openings, it's better to prepare the deck. With the planks cut, I'm now gathering them and in groups of around 10, and I'm using clothespins to hold them, and I will paint the edges with black oil paint. I've gone through this on the previous videos explaining why I use oil paint. I believe it's on the second video of the San Ildefonso. If you need to see the explanation, you can go to that video. As I've explained it previously, it's important to dilute a bit the oil, but to not have it completely liquid so that it doesn't bleed and goes too much inside the wood. But it needs to be thin enough for you to be able to paint and to spread it without having too much strength and ruin all the brushes trying to spread the oil paint. So there's a need to feel the correct consistency of this. Now to mark the lines that will guide the placement of the planks, I'm doing forward shift, which means that each plank, a plank on the same position will repeat after on the fourth row. So to do forward shift, the length of the plank, in my case it's 8 centimeters, divided by 4, I get 4 lines. Then I can space them, as you will see in a bit. Once more, I have the full explanation for all of this as far as planking the deck goes on the second video of the San Ildefonso series, but I will go through it once more. First of all, I'm doing this on the ship. The middle row of planks overlaps both sides of the deck. It's only being glued on one of the sides, but it needs to cover the seam between the two pieces. Then the first row of the other side will also be done on the deck. This will guarantee that there is no space between the planks once the deck is put on the ship. The rest of the planking can be done outside of the ship, but these center planks are very important to be done on the ship because it's the only way to replicate the exact position relative from these two pieces. The other part is the oil hasn't dried completely. Uh, my hands will become very dirty during this process, and the planks will become very dirty, and this is intended. The planks are supposed to get dirty, and the sanding will darken the planks, give him the gray aspect that I'm looking for to look weathered. Now, again on the ship for the first row on the second piece. This way, I know what to make it on the final position, very close to the other line of planks. This way, no seam will be seen. Careful to not glue the pieces at this point, but to keep it very close. Now, when planking, going around an opening, and planking like this, going around an opening, can be complicated. The kit is actually designed to use the strips without cutting them, but I prefer to use individual planks. So with individual planks, going around the opening and have everything match can be a bit tricky. So I'm using white glue to give me some chance to make things right where the planks meet. So you can see that I'm going from this side, and then I can move the stuff, I can correct mistake. As I mentioned before, now I have to do the sanding even before the doing the other part, because I need to have the time before the oil fully dries so that this dust, this oil leftovers will stain the wood. This is it for today's video. Here's a picture of how it looks at the moment. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment. Please consider subscribing, and I hope to catch you all in the next one.